How to fix iPhone green screen issue. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. The most reliable and effective fix for this issue is to force restart your device. To force restart, quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button and finally press the power button until you see the Apple logo. Don't release the power button when you see the slide to power off slider. Keep holding the side button until Apple logo appears. Once it appears, you can release the power button. The next fix is to adjust display settings. So, launch the settings application on your device and tap on accessibility and then on display and text size. Here, navigate to the Reduce White Point option and toggle the Reduce White Point toggle button. Now, go back to Settings and tap on Display and Brightness, and then go ahead and toggle off the True Tone toggle button and also toggle off the Night Shift option. The next fix is to update your iOS to its latest version. So in Settings itself, tap on General and then on Soft to update. Make sure your iPhone is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update your device further. Updating often resolves color calibration bugs, especially in iPhone newer models. The next fix is to turn off auto brightness. So, in settings again, tap on accessibility again and then on display and text size. Now, go ahead and toggle off the auto brightness toggle button. This helps if green screen appears randomly during brightness shifts. The last fix is to reset all settings. So in settings again, tap on general and then on transfer or reset iPhone, then on reset and then on reset all settings. Do not worry, as this will not erase data but will reset settings like Wi-Fi, display, etc. So this is how you can fix iPhone green screen issue. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.